2021 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.